Samsung is gearing up to redefine the boundaries of smartphone design with a bold new entry in its upcoming Galaxy S25 series. While the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra have been the focus of much speculation, it is the rumored Galaxy S25 Slim that has sparked a fresh wave of excitement. This sleek, ultra-thin device could be a game-changer for those who value portability without sacrificing premium features. The challenge of designing thinner smartphones has always been how to incorporate powerful cameras without adding bulk. Samsung's answer? A revolutionary camera innovation known as all lenses on prism ALoP technology. This ingenious development reduces the size of folded telephoto camera modules by 22%. The trick lies in a clever use of optics, a prism with a 40-degree tilted reflection surface and a sensor assembly angled at 10 degrees. This allows for a thinner overall structure while maintaining the high-quality camera performance we have come to expect from flagship devices. This new approach solves a problem that has plagued thin smartphone designs for years: the camera bump. By significantly reducing the protrusion, the Galaxy S25 Slim achieves a clean and elegant look, proving that style and substance can coexist. If ALoP technology delivers as promised, it could inspire a wave of similar innovations across the smartphone industry. Despite the buzz, Samsung has yet to announce an official release date for the Galaxy S25 Slim. Some reports suggest it could debut alongside the main Galaxy S25 lineup in 2025, while others speculate a mid-year launch, possibly in tandem with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. Whatever the timing, this device is already shaping up to be one of the most intriguing releases of the year. The decision to introduce a device like the Galaxy S25 Slim is not without risks. While the concept of an ultra-thin smartphone may appeal to a niche audience, it is not a demand driven by the majority of consumers. Most people prioritize battery life, performance, and durability over a slimmer profile. However, Samsung's gamble is less about current demand and more about exploring future possibilities. They are testing the waters, pushing design boundaries, and offering something unique in a market often criticized for its lack of innovation. For users who prioritize portability and aesthetics, the Galaxy S25 Slim could be a dream come true. It offers the potential to combine flagship performance with a form factor that is both practical and stylish. While it may not be the right fit for everyone, it could carve out a dedicated following among those who value lightweight, elegant designs. This move also reflects a broader trend among tech giants, with competitors like Apple rumored to be working on their own ultra-thin devices, such as the iPhone 17 Slim. These companies are not just responding to consumer needs, they are anticipating them, shaping trends before they fully materialize. In doing so, they keep their brands at the forefront of innovation, ensuring they remain synonymous with cutting-edge technology. Whether the Galaxy S25 Slim becomes a hit or a curiosity, it represents a step forward in the evolution of smartphones. It is a bold statement that challenges the status quo and reimagines what a flagship device can be. If successful, it could pave the way for a new category of high-end smartphones that balance functionality and portability like never before. As we count down to its potential release, the Galaxy S25 Slim has already achieved something remarkable. It has captured our attention. Whether it sets a trend or simply sparks conversations, it is proof that innovation is alive and well in the world of smartphones. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this exciting development. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 in production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic ALoP 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.